Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by grounding yourself and arranging tools. Tri-Wing, Phillips #00, plastic pry, esd mat magnifier. First, remove the silicone tip and snap off the magnetic charging cover. This exposes 2 hidden screws. Use the Tri-Wing on those tiny fasteners. Apply steady pressure so you don't strip them. Once done, gently pry the rear shell with a plastic tool, following the seam from the sound nozzle toward the stock. Make sure to keep screws separated, and note orientation for reassembly. You now face the delicate mid-stage, exposing the PCB and flex cables. Carefully lift the shield and use a magnifier to inspect solder joints and the tiny battery tab. You are looking for lifted pads, corrosion, or fractured traces. If a flex is loose, slide the latch open and reseat it. If solder looks cracked, reflow with a low-temperature iron and flux, keeping heat local. Once the driver or cable is replaced, snug connectors in order and verify mechanical fit before closing the shell. You finish by reversing the disassembly. Seat the shell, align clips, and reinstall screws gently, do not over-tighten. Once closed, power on and test audio at a moderate 50% volume, pairing to a device to confirm microphone and playback. If a bud remains silent, swap flex connectors between sides to determine if the problem follows the cable or the driver. If audio still fails, measure the battery voltage, below 2. 8 volts indicates replacement. If all else fails, retrace steps and recheck solder joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.